can't talk very loud because everyone's asleep, but if you want to see this Halloween look, then don't forget to hit subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and just keep watching. So I'm going to start by taking the Makeup Revolution Matte Base. This is the Pore Blurring Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F0.5. And I'm just going to blend that out just with a buffer brush. Obviously I've gone for a light shade so we can be spooky. This looks hilarious. I'm going to set all this in place with the Makeup Revolution Ghost Sculpt. And I'm just going to use just one of these like little puffs that I got, like the little sponges from Makeup Revolution, from Superdrug. They were on sale for like 37p. So I thought instead of ruining my own sponges and brushes, I'm going to use these. So I'm just literally going to tap that all over the skin to set all that in place. Then I'm just going to take some Gimme Brow and just run this through my brows. And then taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black, I'm gonna put some black brows on. Beautiful brows! And then I'm going to take this W7 in the Buff palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, just with a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E27, and I'm going to blend that into the crease. And just remember, these kind of looks, like, it doesn't matter how messy it is. Doesn't have to be precise, doesn't have to match up, like, you're dead for God's sake. I'm also adding that to my lower lash line as well. And then going back in with that gel eyeliner, I'm going to use like a concealer fluffery kind of brush, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid and then blend that out. And just taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges, and I'm going to set it all with a matte black eyeshadow from the palette as well. And I'm just doing the exact same underneath my eyes as well, just blending all of that together. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to put this on my waterline and also on my tight line as well. And then taking a fluffy kind of flat brush like this, I'm going to go in with that black from the palette again. And I'm going to just add a little bit of shading just here. I'm kind of following Steph Tom's tutorial, I'm not sure if you saw it. Taking the black gel eyeliner, I'm going to draw how Steph kind of described it. It's like a teardrop, but like spiky. And then I'm going to fill that in with the gel eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and I'm actually going to draw along my cheekbone, but a little bit high because I did this the other day and I did it a bit too low. So I'm going to draw from like the top of my ear and then kind of drop it down like that, if that makes sense. And I'm going to do a mix of the gel and the powder kind of along here just to intensify it a little bit. And I'm just going to match the other side up. And then I'm going to take the same shade, I'm going to kind of draw it around so it kind of scoops around into that. That makes sense. So scoops around there, around my hairline, and I'm going to kind of do my temples with it, like so. And then I'm just going to match up the other side just so it's a bit more structure. And then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Ghost Sculpt little duo, if I can open it. And I'm going to take the like black side and take this big fan brush and I'm going to do the sides of my neck. And then for the mouth, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner. And I'm going to draw two little lines on the outside of my mouth, and then I might draw some teeth. I'm actually going to fill my full lips in with this eyeliner. So for the lips, I did the, oh my god, it looks so funny. I did the Makeup Revolution eyeliner in the middle, and then I've blended it out with a big fluffy brush and some black eyeshadow, so it just looks crazy like that. So this is the finished look. You could literally pair this with a black bag. Anything black and get a bit of dripping blood. Yeah, I just thought I'd just do something a little bit different about the box for me. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget I'm uploading every 2 days throughout Vlogtober. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get going because it's nearly 11 o'clock at night and everyone's going to sleep. Love you very much. Peace out. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Love you loads. Enter my giveaway as well. Bye.